Meaning of innovate.
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 Innovate. The word innovate refers to the act of introducing something new or making changes in an existing product, idea, or process. This involves coming up with creative and unique approaches to solving problems or meeting needs that have not been addressed before. The result of innovation can be highly beneficial, as it often leads to increased efficiency, productivity, and profitability. Innovation has the potential to transform entire industries, changing the way we live, work, and interact with one another. Ultimately, it is a crucial driver of progress and growth in both business and society.